Welcome to SEO PowerSuite video training series. In this video, you'll learn how to optimize your site structure and HTML coding to make it 100% search engine and user-friendly. Let's see how you do that with SEO PowerSuite's on-page SEO tool, Website Auditor. So you start Website Auditor and follow the pop-up wizard. All you do is enter the URL of your site and run a quick search on it. If you like, you can fine-tune some advanced settings first. Mark this checkbox to access them. Here you can choose the info Website Auditor will collect about your site's pages when creating the project. You don't have to select all SEO factors here, as you'll be able to check any of them whenever you need to. Using this menu, you can specify how many pages of your site you want to collect. By default, Website Auditor considers all pages reachable in 2 clicks from the home page. You can remove this limit if you like. Just keep in mind that the more pages you scan, the longer the check may take. You'll need these filters if you want to analyze a particular area of your site. For example, a forum or a product catalog. Okay, now Website Auditor has finished putting the site tree together. Now it can gather some crucial info about the found pages. This is the full list of available page ranking factors. As you see, some of them have already been updated. You can stick with the default selection or adjust it as needed. You can choose even more factors pressing the Add More button here. Here we are, back to Website Auditor's working area. Now you can choose the data to be displayed here. Right-click on the header of any column or use the Manage Workspaces button. You can add more columns to the current workspace and remove the ones you aren't using. Feel free to change their order as convenient. Have you noticed the drop-down list below? It lets you group all project entries by any column. By default, all entries are grouped by page to show your site's directory structure. You can expand or minimize the list of pages in each directory. Point the cursor towards a page and you'll be able to open it in a web browser. Make sure all the pages are logically distributed in folders. Take a look at their names too. Folder and file names build up your site's URLs, and you might want them to include your main keyword, which will add up to your site's ranking potential. Please take a look at the titles of your site's pages. 2 main things to consider here. First, each page should have a title. Empty or NA doesn't count. And second, this title shouldn't be repeated on any other page of the site. The same holds true in relation to meta descriptions. Why so? Google frowns upon duplicate content and may underrank pages having it. Survey response codes are the next item on our checklist. It's very important that your whole website is accessible night and day. Unresponsive pages get promptly removed from search engines' indexes. 200 means that a page opens up fine. 301 is an SEO-friendly redirect. It looks good so far, doesn't it? But look, pages with the 404 status were found non-existent. Most likely, they were deleted from the server, but there are links pointing to them somewhere on your site. You'll find them under broken links. By the way, these can not only be links to non-existent pages, but also incorrectly formatted links. Whenever you click on such a link, you get an error message. This undermines the site's credibility and can play down its value for search engines and people. There's a special button to access the list of broken links found on each page. Website Auditor will show you the URL of the link, its anchor text, and the response one gets when opening the URL in a browser. Here you can see the instructions set for search engine robots. These include robot.txt instructions, X robots tag, no index meta tags, and meta refresh redirects. If you want a page to be discovered by search engines, make sure it's open for indexing. Finally, if you strive for high Google rankings, you should also keep your site's HTML coding free of any errors. So, if Website Auditor finds some errors or warnings on your pages, you better have them corrected ASAP. This move alone is likely to push your pages a few positions up. It'll also encourage search bots to crawl your site more often. As a result, new content you publish will be discovered faster. Now you know how Website Auditor makes your site system work like a clock. These little structure tweaks are sure to inject new ranking value into your site. See this for yourself with Website Auditor from SEO PowerSuite.
Hey there, fellas! I'm your friend Marco. I will make your little dollars go further by giving you your very own mystery mega bonus of 100 premium graphics, websites, WordPress themes and plugins, articles, sound effects, and background music when you grab this essential tool. A few things to remember though. First, clean your cookies. Then, grab your tool by clicking on the bar above or the link below. Finally, copy your PayPal transaction and paste it into an email and mail to the address given below. That's all, fellas! Now, click on the bar above or the link below to find out more about this must-have tool. See you on the other side. Shwa!